how I got my first million views on YouTube, and how you can use the exact same system to get your first million views on YouTube. So when I first started out on YouTube, I really didn't have the right skills to create videos that my viewers actually wanted to watch. So the best system for me to use when I first started out on YouTube was creating videos focused on search traffic. What this did was it helped me eliminate enough competition so that I could compete on the quality side, so my video could rank inside of YouTube search in answering very specific questions that people were typing either into YouTube search or into Google search. Now, the reason why this works and the reason why it can work for you is because the more specific the question, the less big creators there are making videos that answer that specific question. So if you can find a question that viewers are asking that you have achieved or you have solved for yourself, like I have here, and this video is a really good example, is I didn't know how to get 1 million views on YouTube. I worked out how to do it. I went out and did it, executed, and now I can make a video answering that question, helping you by sharing what I did, what worked for me, and how you can use the exact same system for yourself to get your first 1 million views. And the question or the problem that's being solved doesn't need to be very complicated. When I first started out, it was how to enable custom thumbnails on YouTube, which is a very simple problem. It took me about 10 or 15 minutes to work out how to solve that problem myself. And then it took me about 30 minutes to actually go out and do it. So you don't have to solve these huge problems that take you 18 months, that take you 24 months. Start with the small, easy questions or easier problems that you can solve, and then go and share that solution with your audience. The more valuable someone finds that question, the more hungry they're going to be, or the hungrier they're going to be to find the solution that you have created the video for. So try and think about questions that people have a burning desire to answer, and they are more likely to search for an answer than to ask someone in real life. Those questions do really well, and then go and research them on YouTube. And you don't need expensive paid tools. You can get keyword research tools like vidIQ if you want to use them. But when I first started out, I just used YouTube search. That's all I needed to see how much competition there was. And all you do is type in the question that you're thinking of answering and see how many videos are there as a search result, and how many big YouTubers are answering that question, and how old is their video. The older the video, the more chance you have of ranking for that specific search query, because YouTube favors recency, and this is your opportunity. If you take one thing from this video, get out a pen and paper and write this down. The older the videos are, the bigger the chance you have of ranking above them, because YouTube gives more favoring to recency than they do to trust or channel history, so reputation that people have built up. This is a great place to find opportunities, and this is how we found our opportunity with the how to verify your YouTube channel and how to enable custom thumbnails. Big creators had created videos for them, but they were 5, 6, some of them were even 8 years old. I created a similar video with my own unique perspective, showing it from my point of view, how I solved the problem, what steps I used. I even gave a little system, even though it wasn't a very complicated problem that we were solving. And that's all I did. We were able to rank inside of search and slowly start getting clicks and views and momentum. And the mindset that I want you to come in with is, can I get a video to rank in search that's going to get 10 to 20 views every day consistently for more than a year or even 2 years? Some of the videos that we ranked in search did well for 4, some even 5 years. And if you just get 10 views every day for 5 years, guess what? You start to build up quite a lot of views on that video, and that's how you're going to get to a milestone of getting your first 1 million views on YouTube. Now, I've given you a lot of concepts in this video, and it might be a little bit overwhelming and a little bit complicated. If you're feeling stuck anywhere along the way, or if you have any questions you want to ask me, you're more than welcome to ask them in the comments down below. If you don't want it to be public, we do have a YouTube community that is free that you can come and join, and you can ask me those questions inside the community. And then I can respond and interact with you and help you solve those problems, or help you get through those little speed bumps that you need so we can get you back to making and publishing videos on your YouTube channel. Because taking action and publishing videos on your YouTube channel is the best thing that you can do to grow your YouTube channel and to get to monetization. So I just wanted to create this quick video to explain that concept to you. I hope you took notes when I said you must take notes, because that is the big takeaway from this video. If you can reduce competition, you're going to give yourself the best chance to rank inside of search. The people that can't reduce the competition, that are still creating videos for the YouTube homepage when they haven't got the right skills or haven't got to the right level in the video creation journey, they're really going to battle to get views if you're competing on the homepage against all these massive, huge YouTubers that they have entire teams that are building out these videos and producing these videos. And they've been doing it for 10, 15, some of them have even been doing it for 20 years. So don't try and compete with those guys. It's like you trying to run the 100 meters against Usain Bolt and thinking you have a good chance of winning. It's going to be really hard to compete against the big boys. That is why if we can target search, reduce the competition for you, we're going to give you the best chance of getting more views, consistently building momentum on your YouTube channel, and getting you to monetization. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you haven't found your niche yet or found a good focus for your YouTube channel, then I've created a video right here for you that'll help you find your niche quickly and easily.